Hey there, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today we have something incredibly important to discuss: kidney health. Our kidneys play a crucial role in filtering out toxins and keeping our bodies in balance. So if you're ready to boost your kidney health, stay tuned because we've got 15 fantastic exercises coming your way. Exercise 1. Jumping jacks. Let's kick things off with an exercise that gets your heart pumping and promotes blood circulation: jumping jacks. This not only improves cardiovascular health, but also aids in maintaining optimal kidney function. Let's do 3 sets of 30 seconds each. Exercise 2. Yoga for kidney detox. Next up, we have a fantastic yoga routine specifically designed to detoxify your kidneys. Follow along as we go through a series of poses aimed at promoting kidney health and reducing stress. Exercise 3. Hydration reminder. Now, staying hydrated is key to kidney health. Let's take a quick break for a hydration reminder. Drink a glass of water, and let's move on to the next exercise. Exercise 4. Walking meditation. Walking is a simple yet effective exercise. Combine it with meditation, and you've got a powerful tool for kidney health. Let's take a mindful stroll together, focusing on our breath and the rhythm of our steps. Exercise 5. Resistance band workout. Grab your resistance bands because it's time to build some strength. Strengthening your muscles can help support your kidneys. We'll go through a series of resistance band exercises targeting key muscle groups. Exercise 6. High-intensity interval training. For our next exercise, we're going to rev up the intensity with some high-intensity interval training. High-intensity interval training has been shown to improve kidney function and overall cardiovascular health. Get ready to sweat. Exercise 7. Squats for kidney strength. A strong lower body equals better kidney support. We're going to do some squats to target those glutes and leg muscles, providing additional support to your kidneys. Exercise 8. Kidney-friendly foods discussion. Before we move on to our next exercise, let's talk about some kidney-friendly foods. Incorporating these into your diet can make a significant difference in your kidney health. Stay tuned for some valuable tips. Exercise 9. Lunges for improved blood flow. Lunges are up next. Not only do they tone your legs, but they also improve blood flow, which is essential for optimal kidney function. Let's do 3 sets of 10 lunges on each leg. Exercise 10. Tai Chi for kidney harmony. Now let's slow things down a bit with some Tai Chi. This ancient practice promotes balance and harmony, which is exactly what our kidneys need. Join me for a soothing Tai Chi routine. Exercise 11. Meditation for stress reduction. Stress can negatively impact kidney health. It's time for a short meditation session to help you relax, reduce stress, and support your kidneys. Find a comfortable spot, close your eyes, and let's begin. Exercise 12. Swimming for kidney fitness. Dive into our next exercise, swimming. It's a full-body workout that's easy on the joints. Swimming not only keeps you fit, but also supports your kidneys. Let's hit the pool together. Exercise 13. Herbal tea break. But first, let's take a break for some herbal tea. Certain teas, like dandelion and nettle tea, are known for their kidney cleansing properties. Grab a cup, join me, and we'll be back with more exercises shortly. Exercise 14. Plank challenge. Get ready to engage your core with a plank challenge. A strong core provides stability to your body and supports your kidneys. Let's hold the plank position for 30 seconds together. Exercise 15. Mindful stretching. Our final exercise is all about mindful stretching. This helps improve flexibility, relieve tension, and ensures your kidneys get the attention they deserve. Follow along for a relaxing stretch session. And there you have it. 15 fantastic exercises to boost your kidney health. Remember, consistency is key, so make these exercises a part of your routine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our health tips. Stay healthy, stay happy.